Hey guys, welcome to a brand new video. Today we're going to look at the Stormbox Micro 2. It's been a few months I have released a video. I was quite busy with my work, so I couldn't do a video. Now we're going to unbox this and see what exactly in the speaker. And there is quite a lot of features actually they added, and there is quite a lot of upgrade they made on the Stormbox Micro 2 compared to the Stormbox Micro 1. So let me go through the spec very quickly. At the moment it's around £50. In US it's around $60. You have a few options on the colors. You have a black and blue. Come with built-in power bank, so you can actually charge your devices, which is your phone, cameras, headphones, earbuds. IP67, so it is waterproof, and it does come with a Bluetooth 5.3. so it's a big upgrade compared to the old models. And the older model is come with a 9 watts of audio output. This model is come with a 10 watt of audio output. So now we're going to unbox the speakers and see what exactly is in the speaker. PC to USB-C for charging, so that is quite good. Fast charge is a very small speaker. I have to say it is a very small speaker. So here is the JBL Go, and here is the Stormbox Micro 2. So pretty much exactly the same size. You do get the straps. You can, if you want to put in a cycle or bike, you can do that. It's I really like the material they used on here. Power button, Bluetooth, light to display how much charge you have, USB-C for charging, so if you want to charge the speaker, or if you want to charge your devices with the speaker. Pause and play, volume controls of the both sides. It does come with a built-in mic, so let me power on. So it is on.
I woke up rich, put a smile on my face. It's the same damn thing like every day. Lights get thick and she ain't from the States. I live like this like every. I woke up rich, put a smile on my face. It's the same damn thing like every day. Lights get thick and she ain't from the States. I live like this like every day. I woke up.
I could spend all day here, holding hands with you, my dear, hearing you say. I could spend all day here, holding hands with you, my dear, hearing you say.
It's a really good audio, I have to say. Comparing with the older Tribit Stormbox, I really like the audio. The audio comes out really good. When you come to the bass, it sounds really good. You can actually download the app and you can go and play around with the settings to get, if you are a person who wants a bit more bass, you can actually go to the app and play around with the setting. Just out of the box alone, I really like the speaker. It's have a much better audio quality comparing with the older models. Some of the speaker on the same price range, they have really good audio. Second thing, I really like the size of the speaker. It's very small in your hand. It's easy to carry. It doesn't feel like an extra weight. For £50, definitely worth every penny. You can get 2 of the speakers. You can turn them into a stereo speakers. If you're looking for a speaker to buy, a small speaker, compact speaker, I highly recommend going for the Stormbox Micro 2, comparing with the other speakers in the same price range. So hope you guys enjoy the video. If you did like the video, leave the comments below, and I will see you guys on the next video. Bye bye.